Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling everything: text, 300 DPI images, SVG, and licensed fonts so rendering is predictable. Open your layout app and set page size, margins, and bleed. This prevents crops at print time. Choose the right PDF standard, PDF/A for long-term archiving or PDF/X for press. Once done, embed fonts and link rather than paste artwork. This keeps file size manageable and avoids missing resources during export. Now you refine content and assets. Fix typographic hierarchy with paragraph and character styles so changes propagate cleanly. This reduces layout errors later. Compress or resample images. Keep 300 DPI for print, 150 DPI for on-screen delivery to balance quality and size. Convert color spaces, CMYK for commercial printing, sRGB for digital viewing, and check soft proofing to simulate output. Also export a proof PDF with crop marks and layers off for client. Export using a preset that embeds fonts and preserves live transparency. Choose compression settings that retain detail without bloating file size. Once exported, run a preflight or validator to catch missing fonts, RGB elements, incorrect bleed, or under-resolution images. This saves reprints and delays. If issues appear, fix sources and re-export. Finally, optimize with linearization for fast web view, apply a digital signature if required, and save a versioned backup so you can revert if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.